Hello everybody. So it's your boy Liquid Cheese again. I am currently looking for a Mazda MIATA to convert to a race car for the MX-5 challenge. That was a series I eventually want to do, but at least for now I'm going to convert a MIATA into a race car. That is my plan, and I found one today actually for a pretty good deal. It's in Orange County. I am not in Orange County, so I'm gonna have to drive up there, but I'm gonna go see it today, see how it goes, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. See if we'll go home with a new car. Well, I got the MIATA, you guys. This is gonna turn into a freaking spec MX-5 at some point. However, the main goal right now is to get this home, get started working on it, and yeah, just to get started working on it in the first place. The right speaker doesn't work, but it doesn't matter since it won't need one eventually. It needs an oil change, that's for sure. But other than that, we're chilling. We're chilling for now. I'm back, you guys. Also, look at the ocean. It's just beautiful. She's a beauty, ain't she? Anyways, so the next big thing, yeah, look at that. Check engine light, it's a sensor. Not to worry though, because that is the next thing we're gonna do to this car. Hopefully, I'm gonna raise enough money this year to eventually replace the engine with a turnkey engine built by Roche. I don't know how to pronounce it, but with Mazda Motorsports, they have the engine ready to build, and so that is what I am going to do. And hopefully it'll be good. Hopefully it'll be good. Just look at that view though, it's just amazing. So after the engine, I need to put a roll cage into it. The engine and the roll cage are going to be the two biggest upgrades I need to do to this car. I can probably, take out some of this upholstery myself, but the engine and the roll cage are going to be the two biggest things. The roll cage is around $2,500, and the engine is $7,000. But when I have that new engine, it's probably gonna last a long time racing, and have to keep up with the repairs and whatnot. But so engine, roll cage. After that, probably put in the shocks or suspension. Actually, no, probably get new tires, to be honest, because these tires down here, they're Lionhearts from Evans Tire, which aren't very good. I mean, they're Lionhearts, but whatever. Anyways, that's the update on the MIATA. Good things hopefully to come later. In the meantime, I'm still going to be autocrossing with my Infiniti. So, yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, there's my car. And here's the MIATA. They both fit in the garage, so that is super exciting. But an update on the MIATA, actually. So I finally got this registered and smog checked, and that way the car can be registered until August, and then once it's up in August, then I don't even have to register it anymore, because by that point it'll be a race car and off the streets. I also had to get insurance. Oh well. But if you guys can, I don't know, you guys probably can't see, but there's a couple fenders under the tires that are kind of coming off, kind of loose. So I need to fix that. I also need to take, I don't know if you see this, but this film off for the tint. I need to take that off as well. This convertible top is coming off. I might have to convert it though to a hard top, but we'll see. I don't think I have to, but so that's coming off. I'm gonna get new tires, so if anybody actually wants these black rims, go ahead and hit me up. because, yeah. Okay, let's see here. Let's see if we can see these fenders. No, probably not. Yeah, anyways, whatever. But yeah, so if anyone actually wants fenders or anything from an MX-5, let me know. I'm going to be selling the seats, the steering wheel, the engine. Speaking of the engine, so now my plan is I have to save up a couple more thousand to put the engine, the exhaust, the headers, and do that tune and all of that. Dyno test it. I'm gonna do all of that all at once. That way I don't have to, go back and forth for the same engine parts, and it'll be running like perfect when I go pick it up. I also need to get rid of that tow hook, but that's all right. But yeah, so if you guys know anyone that wants MIATA type, like those wheels over there, an engine, a brand new 85,000 mile engine, possibly the tires too, shoot, I don't know, let me know and we can get to it. But anyways, that is the update with the MIATA.